Hey, what's going on, guys? So today I will be installing SSVI Tyr triggers on my Glock 43 and my Glock 19. But before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and do the trigger polish jobs and yeah, pretty much do the trigger polish jobs and then do the installs. I have 3.5 pound ghost connectors in them already, so I may not polish the connectors, but I'll take a look at them and we'll see from there. Alright, so first thing we're going to need to do is disassemble the weapon. It's clear.
Everybody gets high sometimes, you know.
Alright, so now that I got everything apart, I'll go over what I'm gonna polish. Got the tips off of Mr. Guns and Gear's YouTube channel. I'll link it in the description below. And I changed my mind. I'll do the double diamond, ghost 3.5 pound connector. And the parts that he says to polish are here and here, as well as the top of the cruciform, this area and this area, and then the part that connects to the the firing pin safety, so up here. And then I'll also do the firing pin here and here, as well as that firing pin safety, and just do this area. Pretty much every part of the that connects the the trigger mechanism to the firing pin areas. So just everywhere you think it looks like it connects, or that it does connect, is pretty much where you're gonna polish. And what I'm going to be using is just the basic polish that came with my Dremel. And yeah, we'll go ahead and get to it. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put it on the lowest speed, so that way I can control it a lot better, and just apply some polish to it and just get to polishing.
What else can we do when we're feeling low? So take a deep breath and let it go. You shouldn't be drowning on your own.
I just realized I was polishing the wrong trigger. Great. Okay, let's actually polish the right trigger now.
Feel you sinking, I will jump right over into cold, cold water for you.
Alright, now that I've polished the right trigger, go ahead and put everything back together.
And although time may take us into different places, I will still be patient with you. And I want you to know I won't let go.
And the safety works, so cannot depress the trigger unless the middle portion is pulled in. There's a snap. Reset. It's like a hard snap. Alright, well, guess that's it. Looks pretty good too. Alright, and that is the Tyr trigger on my Glock 43. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the Glock 19.
I'll be your lifeline tonight. I won't let go. I'll be your lifeline.
Alright, pretty much same deal as before. I'm going to polish this area, this area, this area, and this area, as well as on the firing pin, this area, and this area, and on the double diamond ghost 3.5 pound connector, I believe that's what it's called, this area. And also on the firing pin safety, all this area, because this is where this rubs. So pretty much these areas that touch, these areas that touch, and these areas that touch. So doesn't take too long. Let's go ahead and get to it. Alright, and that should be it. Just wipe off all the excess. And just reconnect everything. Now that it's back to go, let's give her a shot. Definitely looks good. Safety works. Trigger will not depress without the middle portion. So let's try it. Oh wow, that was a quick reset. Let's try that again. And reset. Wow, reset is like right there. Reset. So pull. And it resets right when you start to let up. I feel like that's a little bit more of a noticeable difference than the 43. Won't know when until I take these things back out to, you know, the range to go shooting, but I do like how they look. Glock Legos, I can't leave well enough alone, so you know, there's still some play in that one, so reset's a little longer. Alright, well, that's it. Thanks for watching.